Posts are going to be where you spend a majority of your time on WordPress. That is because the post section is where you go to create the meat of the stuff that is actually going to be visible to readers and clients alike. Where the page section specifies the major landing zones in a website, the posts are the smaller pieces that make up what people truly came for. Let's explore the post section a bit, shall we? Here's the post section. The large main section is where you write your content and edit it. If you are familiar with software like Microsoft Office, this should look familiar to you. Also, the same shortcuts you are used to work here, like Command B, doing bold font, and so on. Additionally, if you are into HTML and web language, clicking between Visual and HTML View will allow you to enter web code, which is pretty cool if you're into that kind of thing. Once you have written something great, you can save and preview it like so. Save, save, save. Make sure that you save regularly on a working article to make sure you don't lose any great ideas if something happened during writing. To post an article, you can either click on Publish, or you can go more in depth and even schedule a time when you want to release the content you wrote. Let's say I publish this. I can view the post right here. I made a mistake. There is spelled incorrectly. No matter, I can just go back and edit the post, like this, and hit the update button to update the post in case of a mistake. The last thing I want to cover are categories and tags. Categories are a great way for people within your website to search for your content, as well as a great way to blog roll content through a sidebar widget. For example, if I ran a movie review website, I could have a category called Comedy that I would post all comedy movie posts under. Tags, on the other hand, are smaller bits that are for search engine optimization or SEO, and for fellow bloggers on the WordPress framework. Unlike the restriction of having only one category per post, I can have multiple tags in one post. In the same example above, I could tag a comedy movie as comedy, comma, Biodome, comma, brilliant, comma, Pauly Shore. This helps people find your page externally, but don't put too many tags, as this also deteriorates your SEO presence. There you have it. You've made a post.